This program has changed the way I think about my future because I didn't really think I had a future.
Northwest Georgia has experienced great growth in manufacturing, and there's a need for skilled employees to fill important jobs throughout the region. The Project Purpose Justice Impacted program is designed to help people that are incarcerated or going through drug or mental health courts, to give them an opportunity to gain skills that will allow them to get gainful employment with manufacturers and logistics companies in Northwest Georgia. It gives employers the people they need to fill those important jobs, and it's a win-win for everybody.
So when Georgia Tech and the MEP came to us about the program, we have a good bit of programs that come to us and want to offer their services. And when we met with them, it was really something different because of the fact that this is real. It has real results and can have a real impact on not only the individuals, but the community as well.
This program has changed the way I think about my future because I didn't really think I had a future. I thought that this was my future, coming in and out of jail. But this program has showed me that I can do anything I set my mind to do. I just got to get up and put the effort in.
So Project Purpose could help returning citizens to the workforce by giving them an opportunity for, workplace starting positions at our company, assembly, lean manufacturing, CNC operators. We're always in need of help, and trying to find good people has always been very difficult and challenging in the workforce. They start off with the basic knowledge and skill set to catapult themselves within the job force.
So this is going to have a huge impact. Employers are starting to see the benefits of changing some of those policies that they had in place that were so rigid, to see that individuals, despite their past, have a purpose and have value to their companies. This is giving them a real plan and concrete results with possibly employment before they leave. So that right there is going to help reduce the recidivism, which in turn helps the community and the impact of the cost of incarceration. And having big names like the Georgia MEP come in, that's massive to say, hey, look, we're gonna put these things in place so that you have the chance to make some real changes.
They really gave me a lot of insight into who I can be. Not who I am at this moment, but who I can be.